Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to claim software in the Smart Admin portal. So whenever you buy something from Smart, you'll receive a purchase confirmation email. So you can go ahead and look for that in your inbox. And in the email, you'll see a list of what you bought. So in my case, you can see that I bought a subscription to Smart Learning Suite software, so purchase software directly. It might be the case that you bought some displays and they came with bonus access to software. Either way, to claim the new software, you're going to go ahead and click on this unique link to open up the Smart Admin portal. And now I see this message that says I have new software to redeem. And the first thing I'm going to need to do before I can claim it is to select an organization that I want to assign it to. So this might be the school that you work for example. I've already got that set up in the system here for myself. For you, if this is your first time in the portal, you'll have to enter all the details about the organization that's going to be using software. But you can go ahead and do that. In my case, I'll pre-select the one that I've already put in here. And then I click on continue. And now we're all ready to go. So I'm going to go back to manage software, which is the main view when you sign into the portal. And you can see that the school I have that I work for is here and the software is assigned to them. So that's great. It might take a couple minutes for this to appear. So don't worry, you can always refresh and it'll show up. So I'm just going to show you one other way you can claim software if you've purchased displays from us and received bonus access, and you're not able to track down your purchase confirmation email. Another option is to go here to get software. You can enter the number of displays that you've purchased, and then you can put in the hardware serial number associated with one of those displays to prove that you made the purchase and click continue. And in this case, you also have the option to fill out where you bought the displays from, so who the vendor was. That's optional, so I'm just going to click next without filling that out. But if you want to keep track of where you made a purchase, that's a good idea. Then you'll see this familiar screen where you have to select an organization that you want to assign the software to. So I'm going to assign it to the school that I work for. I'm going to click next. There's a confirmation of all the information I've entered and an opportunity to edit it if I want to make any changes. I'm good with everything, so I'm going to click submit. And now when I return to manage software, my new purchases should show up here in a minute. And you can always refresh to make sure those are displayed. And now that you can see that I have this additional purchase attached to Woodbine School. So that's how to claim software in the Smart Admin portal. The next step once you've claimed software is to assign users to your subscription so they can access and use the software. So in this instance with Smart Learning Suite, you can see that I have 0 of 7 seats currently filled. So I have an option to add 7 people to access this subscription, and I can do that by clicking on Manage Users here. We do have options for auto provisioning if you work with a supported rostering tool. So check out this menu here. If you click on Help, you'll go to the Smart Support page and you can see the instructions and steps for all the different ways that you can manage users and pick the one that's easiest for you. Thanks for watching.